So if you're like me and you're running an older car, this is a 2013 Chevy Traverse. I was disappointed with the performance of the stock headlight bulbs, so I wanted to go LED and get something much more brighter. And these DB bulbs at 80 watts do exactly that. It gives you a 65K cool white color, and it gives you 500% brighter than the halogen bulb, and it ensures a wider lighting area, and it totally improved my night driving. And it's a simple process to put in, basically plug and play. You go in, put it into your socket, replacing the stock bulb, and snapping the power connector is as easy as the stock replacement. And once you button it up, you just have a better nighttime driving experience. And it did take about 5 minutes as advertised, and it seems like a well-made product. It advertised 50,000 hours lifespan. Has a cooling fan that spins about 16,000 RPMs, and it has a heat sink. This way it gives you a long life with good performance. Pretty silent, so it's pretty much a well-constructed piece of equipment. And as you can see, it's way brighter than a halogen light, and probably lasts me a lot longer. And the most important thing is lighting up the road and markings and street signs way better. And it's just a no-brainer to do this upgrade to any vehicle.